Hey, welcome to 79 Custom Jigs. For you folks that hadn't seen my channel before, what we do is custom crappie jigs. We 3D print custom kayak parts and metal detecting parts for your metal detector. I told you a few days ago that I was going to be building a snap-in, snap-out mount for a catch board. I got it in. I got on my CAD system. Took me about a day and a half to design really what I was wanting, getting all the correct measurements. Did about 7 or 8 prototypes. Really like what I've got. It works really, really well. I think you'll enjoy it. Let me flip the camera around and I'll show you what it is. That is your catch board snap-in, snap-out mount. It looks a lot like my other one does. For the hog trough, it has the 2 T-bolts in the back with the brass inserts in them. Wrench it down really good and strong and tight. It's not coming loose. It doesn't move. And I designed this for a one-handed because I know a lot of times in kayaks you got a fishing pole or a net or something going on with one hand. In the other hand, you just need it free. So what you do is you just pop it out right there, pop it in, good to go. It's as simple as that. I don't know how strong the coating is on this catch board because I hadn't used it. This one's brand new. I hadn't been out fishing with it yet. So what I did is I put a cloth protector right here that goes up underneath the lip just to help protect that board. Don't know if it's needed or required because I think this is powder coated, but it's there anyway. That's where I feel comfortable doing it. So anyway, just pop it in, pop it out type thing, and you're good to go. Well, thanks for watching my video. I'm really proud of this particular mount. It's doing really well. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would. With this aluminum, you know, you can make one for plastic and the plastic will give a little bit on you. With this aluminum, it doesn't give it all. And so you have to really build one that's got the right tolerances to it, that will not only be strong, but also durable in the process. So anyway, I feel like that's what I have right here. So if you'd like to get one of these mounts, you can go to 79customjigs.com, eBay, Etsy, Amazon. I'll have them up on all 4 platforms, you know, probably before the end of the month. This is December of 2024. Probably before the end of the year, I should have them all up on all 4 platforms. You can find them probably first on 79customjigs.com. And also, too, I can usually offer a better deal on some items on my own platform versus, you know, eBay, Etsy, or Amazon because they have all the fees involved. And I don't because it's my website. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, don't leave your good manners at home and enjoy the great outdoors.